Tropical storm Nana has formed south of Jamaica, and it is taking direct aim for Central America. Tropical storm Nana will likely become a hurricane before it hits the coast of Central America. Forecasters have stated that persons in Honduras, Guatemala, Belize, and Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula should monitor Nana's progress very closely. They are expecting strong winds, dangerous storm surge, and extremely heavy rainfall, which may cause flash flooding in these areas. An Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter aircraft crew flew into the storm as it took shape south of Jamaica, and they recorded maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour with higher gusts. Tropical storm Nana is the earliest 14th named storm on record, surpassing Tropical storm Nate, which formed on September 6th in 2005. The Hurricane Center has stated that Tropical storm Nana was moving west at 18 miles per hour on a path that could damage Central America on Wednesday and Thursday. Tropical storm Nana formed in the Caribbean Sea and may become a hurricane before hitting Central America. Tropical storm Nana formed on Tuesday in the Caribbean Sea. Tropical storm watches and warnings have been issued in parts of Central America. Tropical storm Nana may become a hurricane in the western Caribbean Sea before making landfall. Storm surge flooding and damaging winds are possible near where Tropical storm Nana makes landfall. Nana could also bring flooding rain to parts of Honduras, Belize, Guatemala, and eastern Mexico. Tropical storm Nana formed quickly in the Caribbean Sea and is forecast to become a hurricane before it quickly moves ashore in Central America, with a threat of damaging winds and flooding rain. Tropical storm Nana was upgraded from a tropical depression to a tropical storm on Tuesday, based on observations that were made by the U.S. Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter mission, which found a tight, stronger than expected low-level center of circulation. The information that have been provided shows that there are current tropical storm and/or hurricane watches and warnings in effect. Hurricane watches and tropical storm watches mean that conditions are possible, while hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings mean that they are expected in the affected areas. The system is currently centered over 500 miles east of Belize City and is moving quickly west. It is bringing locally heavy rains to Jamaica on the eastern side of its circulation. Tropical storm Nana will track quickly westward toward the coast of Belize or Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula by early Thursday. It is then expected to push inland over Guatemala and eastern Mexico. Since Tropical storm Nana is a small tropical cyclone and is forecast to track over warm waters in an environment of low wind shear, Tropical storm Nana is expected to intensify up until it makes landfall, with a Category 1 hurricane landfall increasingly possible. Winds of at least tropical storm force are possible along the coast of northern Honduras by late Wednesday. Then, when it moves into parts of Belize, Guatemala, and Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, these conditions will be expected by Thursday. Dangerous storm surge will raise water levels by as much as 3 to 5 feet above normal tide levels along the immediate coast, near and to the north of where the center of Tropical storm Nana makes landfall. Near the coast, the surge will be accompanied by large and destructive waves. Locally, heavy rain may trigger flash flooding, specifically over mountainous terrain of Jamaica, northern Honduras, Belize, Guatemala, and in eastern Mexico. This system poses no threat to mainland United States, for Florida is safe. According to information provided, Nana became the record earliest in season 14th tropical storm. It arrived 4 days earlier than the previous record that was held by Tropical Storm Nate. September is the peak month of hurricane season in the Atlantic, and the most active day of the year is around September 10th. According to scientists, roughly 3/4 of the Atlantic hurricane seasons since 1966 have had at least one active named storm on September 10th. There is no guarantee that a storm will be announced on September 10th this year. There is currently an overlap of favorable conditions in early mid-September, which includes ocean water reaching its highest temperatures, the atmosphere's ability to generate thunderstorms hitting its peak, hostile shearing winds declining to a minimum, and a parade of disturbances known as tropical waves, which will act as fertile ground for the development of tropical storms. There will be numerous developments in September, as per usual, because as it is now, this 2020 Atlantic hurricane season has been extremely active, and the last we heard was that meteorologists were monitoring 4 disturbances in the Atlantic Ocean. Currently, it seems that 2 are on its way. Nana has formed, and Tropical Depression 15 has also been formed. Tropical Depression 15 formed off the coast of North Carolina, and they are expecting that it may become a tropical storm. This system could become a tropical storm later on Tuesday. Fortunately, it will track away from the East Coast, and there is no additional land threat. Another disturbance in the Caribbean may form into a tropical depression over the next 2 days. A third area is being watched for possible tropical storm development in the Eastern Caribbean as well. Tropical Depression 15 is moving away from the East Coast and could strengthen into a tropical storm. But Tropical Depression 15 is not expected to be a threat to any land areas. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about Tropical Depression 15 and also Tropical Storm number 14, which has been named Tropical Storm Nana, which formed south of Jamaica and is currently heading directly